Alright, we're in Venetian Bay in New Smyrna Beach. I want to show this property to a client. Check out the nice landscaping. Got some good palms out here. This is on a 0 lot line, or kinda. It actually is a little bit bigger than that, but as you can see, there's not a whole lot of yard to take care of, which is nice for people moving down here not wanting a big yard or a lot of maintenance. I'm going to spin around here so you can see the rest of the subdivision. Big house there. Venetian Bay is a great subdivision to live in. I want to point out also this has a 3-stall garage. I like how they did the full glass doors here so you can get a lot of light inside. Let's check it out. As soon as you walk in, to your right is formal dining room. We got some nice tile here also. Architectural detail also to greet you here at the door, so it doesn't just look like a little cookie cutter house. We're going to go to the left. That's the laundry. The door takes you directly out to the 3-stall garage. Here's one of the bedrooms. It's a little small, which is fine. The arrow on the walls because they're doing a punch out list for it. And some more architectural detail. You'd get a full-size bed in here. Full-size bath for your guests. Tile goes all the way to the ceiling, which is nice. And then again, we have about the same size bedroom right beside of it. Here's your great room and casual dining. Casual dining over here. Nice tray ceilings. And then the great room. I want to spin around here so you can see the open kitchen. Very nice kitchen. Pantry. I also want you to notice they put sun tunnels in here. They're like skylights, but they don't produce a lot of heat or anything. This is what it would look like from being in your kitchen. They did a nice job on the backsplash and the under lighting. We'll go out to that area here in a moment. This would be your backyard and your covered lanai. And then we have a master, which is definitely a good size master. Easily get a king size bed in here. And I want you to notice how much light those sun tunnels bring in. There is no light on in this bathroom. We have some storage here. Double vanity. I like how they do the storage in between. Water closet. Great walk-in shower. Very nice size. We got a window up there also. And then a huge walk-in closet, which is very nice. And then you have sliding glass doors that will take you out to the lanai also. But let's check out outside here. I've had the window or the sliding glass door open the entire time, which the only thing you could really hear are birds. Because it's a pretty quiet neighborhood. Nothing can be built in between there. One, there's not enough room. And two, it's like a wetland area. You'll get a lot of birds and different things like that. The yards can be fenced in, as you can see. And that's also a golf cart trail on the other side there. You can have golf carts throughout Venetian Bay all over to get you back and forth. Very nice size covered lanai with lights and your fan It's already wired, pre-wired. Has hurricane shutters. They're the bolt-in, so you just set them and go. And we'll leave it like this. Beautiful place, and it's ready to move into within about a week.